Hey y'all, this is DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. Today's video is about my locks. As you can see, still got my pins in. Still got those pins in, honey. Sometimes I sleep in them, sometimes I don't. They were super comfy this time, I don't know. Yeah, but still got those pins in. Give you guys a look around, a look-see. See, still got them in. Lock maintenance. Okay, that's what this video is about. So, I washed my hair 3 times with 3 different shampoos like I usually do. Paying close attention to my scalp. I mainly washed my scalp and just let the water run through for the first shampoo. The second shampoo, because the first shampoo is just like a clarifier to get all the gunk off the scalp. And then I rewash with the same shampoo, making sure I really scrub the length of the lock also. Then I rinse that out. And then I got a really moisturizing shampoo. And I do that twice also. Really get that moisture in there. And then I use a deep conditioner. And I put a plastic bag on my head and let that sit for 10 minutes while I shower. Do all the showering, hitting all this loveliness. And then after I rinse off and do that, I rinse out my hair and I make the water cooler so it seals in the moisture. I do that and I wrap my hair in I got me a men's 5X t-shirt. Perfect for my locks. No lint. Can you see? No lint. Doesn't leave any lint or anything. And it seems like it dries it super fast, faster than with a cotton towel. So that being said, yeah, that's kind of my staple now. So after that, see, I'm what you call a product junkie. But I've been trying to lose less and less product so I won't have as much buildup. So I got that Murray's Lock gel, and I just take my middle finger, just tip, one time. And that's whatever it comes up. It's usually just a little bit. That's what I do my locks. So I'm barely using any product, any gel on my hair. But the kind of hair that I have, it's resistant, and it's resistant to go in the lock. It wants to go all over the place. So just that little bit, and I twist my hair and pin it down. And then once it dries, now I usually partially just dry my scalp so I can go ahead and put my oils on. So I'll take the blow dryer and hold it at a distance, and I will make sure my roots are dry, and then I go in with my oil. This time I used almond oil. So yeah, this is the result, but yeah, I'm satisfied. When I twist it, as you can see, you don't see no extra product. And that's my goal. Trying not to use as much product. So even when you twist, you don't see that extra product come to the surface. So, yeah. That is what your girl was trying to do. eliminate some of those products. That's for eliminating some of the buildup and eliminating some of those extra steps I have to take during my shampoos. So it's all time saving. It's all for the health of my hair. You guys do know I do the spray sheen, spray my scalp down every day. What else can I tell you about my locks? Just I'm taking steps, precautions to not have as much lint, because like I said in previous video, I brush, but I don't want to brush the shedding hair that eventually gets inside the lock. So, and the only reason why I was brushing the hair was to eliminate the lint. So, and I'm not willing to dye my hair. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell. Less product and drying my hair with a t-shirt. Like I said, I found a men's 5X. So that's what I've been drying my hair in. And I was also considering using it as a do-rag at night. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. But anyway, I think that would pull the moisture out. I'm not going to do that. But I do double tie it down. Double duty tying it down. Like I'll do my bonnet. First I'll do my do-rag and then I'll put the bonnet over it. So if it happens to fall off or anything, I'm still protected. My hair is still protected even though I use silk, satin pillowcases. So yeah. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. My clean locks. My clean locks. Healthy, manageable. They swing. They're healthy and moisturized. Okay, you guys, that's it for this lock update. This is Deeja the Diva. I love you guys to life. Act blessed, walk blessed, talk blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Please click that like and subscribe button, you guys, and comment. I see you guys are viewing, but I don't see many subscribers. So please subscribe. I would surely appreciate it. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Love you to life.